The process of vetting magistrates and judges ran into trouble on Tuesday last week when the High Court issued an order stopping the process for 14 days pending a case challenging the fairness of the vetting process. The case had been filed by the Center for Human Rights and Democracy and two other individuals, Richard Etiang and Bishop Francis Ranogwa. The vetting board called a press conference a few hours after a crisis meeting between its chairman and Chief Justice Dr. Willy Mutunga.
In the board's view, the stay order is null and void.
The board says that Section 23 of the 6th schedule of the new constitution insulates the vetting board from court orders.
What we are hoping that the Attorney General, as the principal legal advisor to the government, will take up the matter of jurisdiction, will also take up the matter of the particular judge or judges who are subject to vetting and sit in judgment over its own process.
The panel hearing the case includes Justices Mohamed Warsame, George Odunga, and George Kimondo. The board has further raised an alarm over conflict of interest as one of the judges on the panel, Mohamed Warsame, was due to appear before the board for vetting on the 16th of this month.
Judges cannot be true to their oath to uphold the Constitution, but purport to blow the whistle on a process commanded by the Constitution. There cannot be players and referees at the same time.
Critics, including the Law Society of Kenya, say the Chief Justice should have in the first place not appointed Justice Warsame to the panel that is hearing the case. Secondly, Justice Warsame should have stepped aside himself as an interested party. All this amid claims that the Chief Justice was interfering in the work of the board. And we asked the board, is that the case?
I can say with complete confidence that there has been no interference nor an attempt to interfere with the process of the board as far as the Chief Justice is concerned.
The lawyers representing the petitioners, Dr. John Haminwa, Katwa Kigan, and Paul Gisheru, insist that the order must be obeyed and dared the board to proceed with the disobedience of the order. Despite rejecting the order, the board was not clear on its next course of action. The board says that the threats to the completion of its work are worrying, but it is determined to complete the process as it is considering various options on the way forward. It says that this process is so crucial to restoring confidence in Kenya's judiciary ahead of the forthcoming general election that it cannot be abandoned midway. Alex Chamwada for Citizen TV, Anniversary Towers.